I got myself an Altura Photo Remote flash set, and sure enough, I decided to plug it into this really old flash. With these really old flashes, the big problem with them, it's they have like over 300 volts between here and the other side. And that usually fries things. Now I thought this unit here would have some kind of protection for it, but it does not. So as soon as I plugged in the flash, it broke the unit right away. But there's good news, because this particular unit uses standard 60 volt N channel FET. In my case, it's 2N7002. So that little guy there, it's labeled 702 in here, and I found a donor board off an old motherboard, like right over here. There were a few of them. Labeled S72, and I looked up the data sheet. Sure enough, they're the same. And I replaced it. Finding it was simple enough. The FET is wired directly to the center pin, and you just follow the traces to the FET. You solder it off, you solder the new one on, and you're done. So just to show you that it does work, I'll pop it on here. I'll have it on flash mode. I'll turn the flash on, and this one is under 60 volts. So this one should work pretty good. All right, ready to go. So let's see if it works. Camera's booted up. There you go. I hope this helps someone, and good luck. Don't plug in expensive, really old flashes into new cameras, because you'll regret it.